Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn ads performance reports easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaign Manager. Select the ad account you want to back up. In the Campaign Manager, locate the Performance Reports section. Click on the Reports option in the menu. Next, choose the type of report you wish to download. You can select from options like Campaign Performance, Ad Performance, or Audience Insight. After selecting your desired report type, set the date range for the data you want to analyze. Once you've specified the date range, click on the Apply button to update the report. Look for the download icon, typically represented by a downward arrow. Click the download icon to export the report. Choose your preferred file format, commonly CSV or Excel. Confirm the download by clicking on the Download button again. Your report will now be saved to your device. To ensure you can access it later, designate a specific folder for your LinkedIn reports. It's a good practice to name the file clearly, indicating the report type and date. Repeat this process regularly to keep your ad performance reports up to date. Once downloaded, review the report to analyze your LinkedIn ads performance effectively. Make sure to back up these reports periodically to track trends over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.